In this lesson, we will be able to solve two-step word problems using variables. One of the mathematical practices that we like students to master is to make sense of problems and persevere in solving them. Students who are successful in mathematics need to have a good basis for problem-solving strategies. Students can ask questions to themselves, draw pictures, diagrams, or write an equation to help them understand the mathematical situation and a way to formulate a solution. We are faced with mathematical problems every day, and we may not even recognize it. If students develop a mathematical problem-solving approach, they will be prepared to face problems in different situations. Students will learn with greater understanding by thinking with flexibility and creativity with a mathematical approach. Problem-solving will be made into a habit that empowers them to solve problems in our world. Our first problem is Emily has 5 pieces of ribbon that are 8 inches long. Kirsten gives Emily a piece of ribbon. Now, Emily has a total of 52 inches of ribbon. What is the length of ribbon that Kirsten gave Emily? I'm going to start off by drawing a tape diagram. The total amount of ribbon is 52 inches. I will place that in the top, representing my total. I know that Emily had 5 pieces of ribbon that each were 8 inches long. 5 times 8 would tell me how much ribbon Emily had before Kirsten gave her ribbon. The amount of R will represent the amount Kirsten gave her. First, we need to solve 5 times 8 to total 40. If Emily already had 40 inches, I know that 40 plus R equals 52. If I am unsure of the answer, I can draw a number line to find how many jumps I take on a number line to get from 40 to 52. I can do 1 jump of 10 followed by 2 jumps of 1 to total 12 jumps. So 40 plus 12 equals 52. I now know that R equals 12. Kirsten gave Emily 12 inches of ribbon. It is important for students to assess the reasonableness of their answer to ensure their answer is correct. I can check my work by estimating or by working backwards. This time we will work backwards. First, I will add 12 to 5 times 8. 5 times 8 equals 40. 12 plus 40 equals 52. There was a total of 52 inches of ribbon. So I know my answer was correct. The next problem we are going to solve is Kate makes 43 keychains. She gives 13 keychains away and sells the rest for $3 each. How much money did Kate earn? Let's have M represent the amount of money Kate earned. First, we need to find out how many keychains Kate sold. We can draw a tape diagram to represent the amount of keychains she sold. She had a total of 43 keychains and gave away 13. 13 plus K, this time representing the keychains she sold, to equal 43. I can use a number line to solve. I will count how many jumps I need to take in order to get from 13 to 43. I will take 3 jumps of 10, which is a total of 30. This means Kate gave away 30 keychains. I know that each keychain was sold for $3. I then can multiply 30 by $3 to find M, which is how much money Kate made from selling the keychains. I can multiply by tens using mental math. First, I multiply 3 times 3 to total 9, and then I take my knowledge to know that Kate earned 9 tens, which is $90. Let's take a look back to ensure our answer is reasonable. Kate had 43 keychains, she gave away 13, and sold the remaining 30 for $3 each. I can multiply 3 times 3 to total 9, multiply 9 times 10 to show $90. Kate earned $90. This justifies my answer. Today we solved math problems that took more than one step. We had to dive into the problem to find what was being asked and use our math knowledge to help us develop a plan to formulate the answer. We then had to look back to assess whether our answer was reasonable. Today, our objective was to be able to solve two-step word problems with variables. We were able to use a variable to find the unknown and solve math problems using models and equations.